Welcome to the Crude Nature Christmas calendar. Over the next 25 days, we're going to be opening doors and revealing 25 of Mother Nature's deepest, darkest secrets. All from the book, Not So Fluffy. So, without further ado, I present the guinea pig. Look at that smug little bastard. So yeah, they're cute, they're fluffy, but like everything else in Not So Fluffy, they're dirty little shits too. Let's take a look. So guinea pigs aren't just cute pets for your children. They're also super horny sex plug making swingers. And these scoundrels are known to be polyandrous, meaning females get stuffed by multiple males. And because they don't want other men to wash out their sticky goo with their own, their sperm has some special properties. Once inside the lady cave, their jizz solidifies into an impassable barrier, compacted perfectly against the walls of the vagina like the cork in a fine wine. They don't last forever, but are super effective. In one study, subsequent male semen was blocked from the egg 100% of the time. And there is a huge list of other animals that do this. In butterflies, this front bum plug is so hard that even sulfuric acid can't break it down. And though we don't have time to list all of those species here, we are sure of one thing, and they are fucking disgusting. So, there you have it. Guinea pigs are dirty little shits. Now fuck off. Alright. Tune in tomorrow for the next fact from the Crude Nature Advent Christmas Calendar of Animals Are Dickheads Christmas Calendar for Christmas. See you tomorrow, dickheads!